Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we'll be comparing Samsung Bespoke Jet and Samsung Jet 90 to find out of the difference and decide which is better. Let's get started. So the main difference between Samsung Bespoke Jet and Samsung Jet 90 is the filtration technology. Both the Samsung Bespoke Jet and Samsung Jet 90 have advanced filtration systems that can capture a high percentage of dust and allergens. However, the Samsung Bespoke Jet has a more advanced HEPA filter, specifically designed for people with allergies or asthma. The Samsung Bespoke Jet is better thanks to its advanced filtration system. Design. The Samsung Bespoke Jet has a customizable design, allowing you to choose the color and texture of the vacuum's body and handle. The Samsung Jet 90 has a more standard design, with a silver and black color scheme. Regarding design, both appliances are equally good since design preference is subjective. Battery life. The Samsung Bespoke Jet has a battery life of up to 60 minutes and takes around 3.5 hours to fully charge, while Samsung Jet 90 has a battery life of up to 70 minutes and also takes around 3.5 hours to fully charge. The Samsung Jet 90 has a slightly longer battery life, making it a better choice. Suction power. The Samsung Bespoke Jet and Samsung Jet 90 are powerful cordless vacuums that can handle most cleaning tasks. However, the Samsung Jet 90 has a higher suction power of up to 200 air watts, while the Samsung Bespoke Jet has a suction power of up to 150 air watts. The higher suction power of the Samsung Jet 90 makes it the better option. Comparison table. From the table above, you can tell that the Samsung Bespoke Jet is more expensive, but comes with a more advanced filtration system and has a battery life of up to 60 minutes, with higher suction power. On the other hand, the Samsung Jet 90 is more affordable, with a good filtration system and a battery life of up to 70 minutes, but has a slightly lower suction power. Similarities. The main similarity between the Samsung Bespoke Jet and Samsung Jet 90 is that they are both cordless vacuum cleaners, with 5-layer HEPA filtration and multiple attachments for versatile cleaning. Verdict. So, which is better? The Samsung Jet 90 is the better option, as it offers a longer battery life with the same charging time as its counterpart, and it has a more powerful suction power for more efficient cleaning. Also, Samsung Jet 90 is more affordable compared to its counterpart and performs just as well. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see from us next. Thanks for watching.